Today I am going to talk about what care we should take in the current situation, mainly about the mental health. First, I will talk about the physical health. So please, even if you are not infected, if you are infected with COVID, please take care. Take all the medications. Take the steamings 3 times in a day. Do gargling 3 times in a day. Do exercise and eat healthy and nutritious food. So this was all about the physical care we have to take. But the most important is the mental care. How to be mentally tough in this situation. Because if we are mentally tough, then we can only pass through this situation successfully. And which really helped me a lot. So today I'm going to talk about the 5 steps to be mentally tough in this situation. The first one is thinking positive. Control your thoughts. We cannot control our feeling. We may feel low, sometimes we may feel weak, but definitely we can control our thoughts. So whenever any negative thought comes to our mind, change our thought to the positive one. Think of some positive event from your past, some successful event. See, this is important because nature punishes the weak and nature rewards the stronger person. So think positive and let not bad feeling take over your thoughts. The second step is expand your context. So look at other people who are suffering more than you, who have already tested with COVID positive, and also they are really having bad sufferings. They don't have money to get treatment. They are having lack of oxygen. So then if you look at your problem, if I look at my problem when I tested positive, it is very less. I was getting a good treatment. I was getting everything on time. So that makes us more satisfied and give us more energy. So look at the bigger problems and then you should be grateful to the God. If you are grateful to the God or mighty universe, you will get a lot of energy, a lot of strength. The third one is have a mindset of discipline. So whatever is told to you for the treatment, or even if you are not infected, follow all the required exercises, physical and mental exercises. Do breathing exercises, do physical exercises, do meditations, and become mentally strong. The next one is stay away from the negative thoughts. It's not about thoughts, about discussions. Stay away talking to the friends who continuously talk negative about COVID. So if somebody is tested positive, somebody is patient, and a friend is saying, okay, it's how bad it is, and you have to really take care. So stay away from talking to those friends. But in fact, talk to those friends who will give you positive message, who will really think about well-being of yours. Similarly, stay away from the news channels who are continuously talking bad about COVID. You should definitely get updated with the news for some time, but not whole day. Just try to avoid these news channels, and also some programs which are not giving the right information about COVID. The last but not the least one is you have to be in association with the people who are really positive. Don't stay alone. Just talk to a few group of people who have similar thought process like you, who are really positive, who has mental toughness, who keeps about talking about growth and all those things. So if you are in association with those people, your energy and your strength will explode. And definitely you can stay healthy mentally and physically in the current situation. So thanks again, friends. So please take care. Situation is not right. Take care of yourself physically and mentally as well. Have a nice evening. Bye.